Hi, this is a little video showing you how to complete the Personal Finance Unit 1 Making a Spending Decision Unit project down here. So you need to click on the content, and again, there is no textbook for this class, for this course. All the information is online, and you get the information from content. So you have to click on content, and this is what will show up when you click on content for Unit 1. Then what you need to do is make sure you read through all the content, but in terms of being able to do the unit project, you click on the tab that says Unit 1, and then you go down to the unit project and click on it. And then bam, here we go, Making a Spending Decision Project. Here is the information you need to be able to do the project. You take a look at all this information here, and what I'll do is I'll bring up the actual project, the actual assignment. So we'll take I'll look at the assignment here. It's right here. So one thing you need to know about these assignments is oftentimes students get in trouble because they don't scroll down the whole page and don't see all the questions. There are lots of questions here. In fact, this one has questions on 2 separate pages. Make sure you scroll down and answer all the questions. The other thing you need to do is you need to read the directions, and then you need to answer your questions provide your answers based on the questions and based on the directions. That's what I really look for. I look for answers that follow the directions. Okay, now, so much about that. But it says, I will be buying storage units for my blank collection. So over here that says they have CDs and I think tapes. These are, actually, so there's a tape. Yeah, so you've got to say whether it's going to be for CDs or whether it's going to be for tape, basically. Now, this information is a little bit old because most people don't use tapes these days. It's mostly LCDs. So, that's up to you, though. Write one sentence below that specifically describes your 3 criteria for the purchase. So what's your criteria? Is it color? Is it size? Is it cost? Is it shape? Is it, whatever? It's because your little brother can't throw it against the wall and break it. What's the criteria? Then you come down here to this table and you write your criteria. And if one of them is cost, you type in cost right here, C-O-S-T. If another one is, dimensions or size or shape, you put that there, so on and so forth. Then right here, you would put alternatives. Here are your alternatives here. What we have here, this is an alternative. Portable CD wallet, that's one alternative. Revolving CD holder, that's another alternative. Tower CD container, that's another alternative. Wall rack tape center. So these are all alternatives. That's what you would put right down there, okay? So it says, fill in the decision-making grid using your criteria and alternatives. Okay, so you fill that in, and then you would evaluate each one based on cost, based on shape, based on whatever your criteria is, and that's what you would provide in here. Your evaluation. Does it meet it? Yes or no, or it does mean it, doesn't mean it, and this is why. Write down the storage unit that has the best score. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like you got to get a score of 1 to 3. So. And then answer all the remaining questions, okay? So make sure you work through this and make sure you go to the content area to find the information that you need to complete the assignment. Okay.